Yes, we are live. Are we live? Hello, hello, hello. Am I live? Am I live? Yes, I am live. Okay, hello. So, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me check first whether I am there or not. Wait a minute, I hope you can hear me, guys. Hello. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay. ठीक है. So let's go. So, welcome all on stream. I welcome you guys, all of you. Now let's move on to trading. Hi, mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hear me? Hello, hello. Am I visible? Yeah, so the first news we have for today is at 12:15. It's affecting euro. There was core news for Tokyo at 5 a.m. Let's see what the data suggests. So for the yen, there is not much change here. I hope you can see me. Can you hear me? 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 Mic check, mic check, mic check. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. I can hear me. I can hear myself. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mic check, mic check, mic check. I can hear myself now. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. I can hear myself. Is my voice? I can hear myself. Is my voice audible? Mic check, mic check, mic check. I can hear myself now. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. I can hear me. Is my voice? I can hear myself. Is my check, mic check. I can hear myself now. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yes. I can hear me. Is my voice? I can hear myself. Can you hear me? Yeah. So let's move on now. Can can we see concurrent viewers? It was myself. Can can we see concurrent viewers? It was myself. Yes. Can we see concurrent viewers? It was myself. Yes. So let's move on to the trading business now. Can we see concurrent viewers? So clearly we can see that gold is coming down and it's hitting towards the downward. It's trying to break that channel which it was moving in. So I'm actually in the 3 minute. If we go on to the hourly analysis, we can see that I've drawn clear trend lines here. So yeah, so if you see closely, if you see the structure of gold now, it's like this. It's making higher high, higher low. Tried to break the higher high, failed once, trapped all the buyers who entered early, and then made an again a higher high. Again formation of a higher low, and then a higher high, higher high, higher low, and again trapped all the buyers who entered here early, as you can see. As you can see here, at this level, prices tried to break up but failed. So yeah, so all the buyers entering here, they got trapped, and then they all the SLs were hit and the prices went down. So, and it went up then again, hit at the bottom, and then bounced back up. Now the prices are trying again, tried to break the high but failed. Again moved down, but it is slowly moving up. So we can see a channel, like you can see this high is broken, this high is broken. Actually I entered a trade here yesterday, somewhere here, 7:30, not 7:30, I think this was the news timing. Yeah, so I entered the trade maybe like around here. Yeah, around here only. It went up to 67, 68. There was huge this type of candle, which I don't like actually, this type of candle, so you shouldn't enter here. Actually on a lower time frame it was something else. It was showing me that the prices were about to break out, and they were about to, but you know, because of so many speeches yesterday, it wasn't able to break out properly. So we can see now that the data is, तो अगर अब डेटा देखे, अब है today we are having French consumer spending data, French prelim CPI, and Spanish flash CPI, and German unemployment data, Italian 10-year bond auction. So it's a low impact news. French CPI, and at 12:30 there's a medium impact Spanish CPI, which can impact the euro. So I'll be closely monitoring the euros also. Sorry for that. Yeah. So you can see, yeah, price is moving like this, and on the hourly chart it's trying to trend upwards. Prices are trying to trend upwards, but they are failing. Going up, breaking the highs, again going, even broke the low but trapped all the sellers here because it didn't go down. And then again moving, towards the high, moving towards the high, again going down, moving, breaking the high, again going down. And you know, failed once, failed twice, failed thrice. 3 failed attempts to break out of this range, which can be crucial, and 3 failed sell attempts too, right? You can see here. Yeah, this is high, hello. Yeah, first failed attempt here, second again here, third here, and fourth. Let's see whether it will break down today or not. Chances are it can go down. So I think, but the bias is bullish now. Like, you should look for buys only, because if you go on to the daily chart, you can see that. But there must be a slight pullback of some kind. It is inevitable, and eventually, like, whenever you move market upwards, going up, some people are there, they'll book profits. And let me remove all my drawings now. Where can I do that? Yeah, so in the daily chart you can see if we draw a trend line here. Let me first analyze. Higher high, again higher high, and then there will be a higher low. Higher high, higher high, higher high. No, wait, I was searching for some Fibonacci retracement. Let me change it first. Yeah, so prices, they generally retrace to the 50 level. So up from the higher high, this higher high, to the second, to this higher high, one to higher high. So prices, so I think we must place an alert here to the 50 level. If we check for the previous daily, higher high to higher high, yeah, this is the higher high. So where did the prices finally settled? Around the 50 level. You can see it tried to break the 50 level, but it didn't. Good sign. You must look for buys here in the 50 to 61.8. Like, for here it was this level, and for the previous one, sorry, for the current one, the prices will make a higher low around the 50 level. You must look for buying opportunities there. And currently I think we must look for sells. to the next higher high. Yeah, this range 2648 to 2636. There must be sell off here today or day after, who knows. It can be. And overall, it's in a trendy market. It will continue. It will be bullish. So yeah, 21, 26. Sorry, I just lost the numbers. Sorry for that. We will mark it. We will mark these two levels. So these are important. These are important level 2637 to 2625. 2625 to 2627. We'll also touch the 2600 level. They can. Like last time, you can see it. This imbalance was created here. Prices respected the imbalance, went back up. If we analyze from here, exactly at the 50 level, it just reversed. Let's see. 52, and it went up to the 38.2. 652, 2647. 2652 to 26, 25, 25, 52 to 25, 44, 45, whatever. So cool. So we look into this range now. So for this, we can draw the level 2610. It might go up to here. You must place your stop loss below 2610. So these three, let prices reach here. We'll look for buying up here. Moving on to the 4 hour. Okay, so I'll use different color lines for 4 hour. Different color, yellow for 4 hours. Still in a trending channel. Still in a trending channel, looking to break towards the downside. We can clearly see from the 4 hour that. Moving on to the 1 hour. So yeah, same shit as that. Trying to break down, but not getting enough support. Moving on to the 3 minutes. Why is it not fucking straight? Must be straight, right? Yeah, this is better. Better representation of the data. So for the 3 minutes you can see again prices are broken the lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, again change of structure, market again getting rejected somewhere around here on the 3 minute time frame, somewhere around here, broken the lows. Are the lows broken? Wait, let me check. No, the lows are not broken. 2661, are they? Have they tapped this zone? No, 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 no. 2661 is untapped. 2661, let's see. This is our area of interest. What color should I get? Okay, peach color. So this is my plan for gold today. We will look for shorting opportunities below this. Let it trap all the buyers now, early buyers, early sellers. Moving on to oil. For oil we can see that there is quite a lot stuff going on for oil. Oil was moving in a downward channel. Formation of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Tried to make the lower low, but I think it failed here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, moving on to the daily thing, we can see let me remove all my drawings. Yeah, so moving on to the daily chart. What color have we used for daily? I think we have used white for daily. Yeah. Moving on to the daily chart, we can see oil is respecting this trend line. Trying to break out from here on the daily. Let's see. This is, if we observe it carefully, we can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a break of structure. I'll mark it with some other color. Okay, yeah, a break of structure here. It has broken this structure and again tested the lows. Again went to the highs, broke the lows, again in a similar structure. Again in a similar structure. Yeah, lower low, lower high. So this was a fake out here, fake out move, lower low, lower high. Again it formed a lower high. Let's see whether it will fake out once again or not. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. If this is a lower high, so I'm thinking that if in the daily, if this is the lower high, then usually the lower low the lower high happens around 50 level from the previous. So yeah, again if you see, this is at the 50 level. Yeah, once again I deleted it, sorry. So it is at the 50 level and got rejected, so it will be again forming a lower low, most likely. So this was a good opportunity to sell when it happened. It was on 24 25th. If we check here, the lower low is here, so lower high again got rejected from the 50 level. Yeah, so the zone which you have to take care about is this one, lower low to lower high is joined. Yeah, so you have to care about this. It will keep on ranging up and down. We don't have a proper setup until now. I know it will go down for sure, but all we can do is wait now. Wait a minute, get how you living. So we formed top pick here, strong bearish indication for oil. If it breaks this low, then we'll try to find some trades here. The best shorting opportunity was here on 25th September, which was a Wednesday. Okay, so moving on to gold. Gold has it given a breakout? Nope, sir. Nope, sir. Nope, sir. It hasn't. So okay, so zooming on the 3 minutes chart, we can see. Has to break this low in order to get more low. You understanding? You getting what I'm saying? Moving to the hourly. This is a good opportunity to buy here. There is a sell-off can occur anytime soon, but it needs some liquidity to like to get sold. Actually, you need to wait now. There's no worries here. Score it, so again trapped all the early sellers here. Just trapping now, for now. Just a trappy market. Be safe, guys, be safe. Wait a minute, let me turn on my charger. So I'll be gone. I'm only interested actually if prices break below this low. You know what I'm saying? Below this low actually, to be honest. If prices break below this low, then I'm interested in a sell. Otherwise, I'm not. Otherwise, these are all fake offs up here. We go on to 3-minute chart. Any entries formed? Potential entries. Nope, buddy. Nope, 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 nope. Sorry. Nope, buddy. Nope, no. No entries formed until now. So yeah, prices are moving. They are moving now. They are moving towards a zone. You can see in the 3 minutes, has it created any imbalance? Guys, it has. Guys, you can enter it. But there's another imbalance which is yet to be filled. So don't haste. Let it close first. Then we'll see if we can enter it or not. You must have a stop losses up to here 73, I think. That's a must. Let's see. let it close, and if it creates an imbalance, get ready to buy. We are entering, no, sorry, in a sell position now. Once it gets completes. Moving on to the hourly, we can see that. So there's a double top here. It trapped all the sellers first. Can be a trap too. I'm not first. This was the first trap. This is the second trap, third trap, fourth trap, fifth trap. I don't think it must be a trap now. I think it will go down because in the daily also we can see that there's clear indication there is no imbalance here, and the price will hit this point 26.37, 26. So moving on, we can see 67, right? So prices have created an imbalance here. They're inviting sellers now. For more confirmation, we can look into previous day prices, prior day highs and lows, as it tapped that level or not. So this was the high, this was the low. Prior day low, and high was somewhere around 85. So yeah, prices have created an imbalance. They have again created an imbalance here. If you want to enter this trade, you have to keep your stop loss above the high, and I think it is manipulation because everyone knows that prices will have a pullback, so it can be a manipulation. It can turn into a buy too. We must wait for further confirmation. If it breaks this low, 66, where am I? I'm in 3 minutes, right? 1 hour, yeah. If it breaks, let it close first below it, because if it didn't, it's all a trap and it's grabbing out all the juice here, and then it will go down by touching or going near the prior day high. So yeah, so be careful, guys. So let's look now. If 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 you want to enter a sell immediately, like you don't care about much about losses and stuff, then you can enter here. Wait a minute, get how you leave it. You can enter here. This is a huge stop loss, bro, but the target will also be huge then. You will be targeting the prior day low. Okay, if if you want to take a risk, then this will be your trade. Place a limit order and then let it run. So this is the first trade. It can be a trap, most likely a trap, but still very risky trade. If you want to enter, then this is for you. Sell limit 2668.6867. SL 2673. TP 2654. So this is your trade. Just don't get panicked. Don't get panicked that it is moving away. Place a limit order. Don't enter right there. Prices will touch this imbalance and might also fill this imbalance too. And we are placing the stop loss above the highs, so there is less risk. So this is our trade. So how to hide all the drawings? Hide drawings. $26.60. Mm. So okay, I can't remove my shit. So this is your trade. Let it run. Wait a minute. Jerry, how you living? 10 toes in when we stay on the business. I'm a big stepper. The most lesser. बोलो मुझे मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ आज मेरे को कंप्लीट करना था एस्टिमेशन बहुत बाकी है कितना तेरा तो अच्छा आज कुछ है अच्छा आज कुछ है काम है मेरा अच्छा ओके ओके अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ओके देखता हूँ मैं बस एडमिन ऑफिस आ जाऊँगा तो हाँ नहीं नहीं मैं तो घर पास में ही है ना फिर चले जाऊँगा हाँ वही चीज़ ओके आ जाऊँगा मैं एडमिन ऑफिस क्या काम है वैसे ऑफिस वर्क अच्छा 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 ओके ठीक है कौन मैम मीरा मैम समीरा मैम ओके ओके ठीक है चलो Hello. 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 To do estimation. guys, this candle didn't have a lower wick, so this is very bad. This candle didn't have any lower wick. You can see it here. There isn't any lower wick, so you must not be in sell there, because without lower wick it means that there is no one to drive the prices to the low. So that means these two candles, they are indicating that selling is going weak, so we will look for buying now. Is there any imbalance created? We'll see. Yeah, there was created. There was an imbalance created. It is filled. You can you can buy below the lows. You can buy it here. For sure. You can buy. Keep your SL to around 20 pips, 2060, and keep your target around here. Previous imbalance. You can actually buy. I'm buying.